Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing these fence post caps. They all came loose, and I got 6 of them to do. Some of them don't have these trim pieces. Went to the hardware store looking for a trim, and they've got nothing like it. I checked on the ground and I found some loose pieces. I have enough to finish 1 post, so that means I'm going to have 2 posts without any trim on it. But I think I'll just put them on the way it is. These are metal caps, and they were put down with glue originally. I'm going to scrape off the old glue and glue them again. There's plywood pieces in the metal cap, and it looks like the plywood's on all of them except for one, but I'm just going to glue that down anyway. To make a pencil mark for the trim, see if I have to have the trim below flush with the top of the post, and no, the pencil mark pretty much lines up with the top of the post, so I can put these on flush like that for those other posts. I'm going to prep all the fence post caps first, and that way I could just apply glue at one time for all the posts, because it's a perfect day for gluing. It's 85 degrees, sunny and dry, so I just don't want that stuff to set up on me before I'm done. I have 2 caps that don't have any plywood in them at all, and there's just a little strip of silicone on each side that are holding them on, so I want to get the old silicone off. Well, I was going to use finishing nails to tack the trim up to the post, but check this out. The trim is cut to a larger size than the post. It's just glued onto the caps. So what I can do is I can cut them down when I get back home, come back and nail them up. Or I could try to glue it to the caps and hope they hold. Here's my solution in case gravity is stronger than the bond of the glue. I have 2 sets of rubber bands holding the corners up until the glue sets. I'm using liquid nails, heavy duty, waterproof and weatherproof. Bonds all construction materials. So this stuff takes 24 hours to set up, and it cleans up with mineral spirits. So I'm going to be back tomorrow to check it out. It's the next day. Let's see how they look. Whoops, I need that rubber band back. Yeah, that's pretty sturdy. Somewhat. Not so good. A little bit loose. So yesterday, after I put the caps on, I did something stupid. I glued this trim together, not thinking that you have to put this on before you put the cap on. So I glued each corner, so I just broke it apart, and I'm going to put this one on the loosest post. So the loosest post is this one. I'm going to re-glue it. I'm going to use a large C-clamp to hold the frame up. Kind of like that. And that should be that. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.